Guys, today welcome back to our channel that Abhay with Fluent. Today is day 6 to improve to our fluency to English. Find two errors or odds in our field. Maybe you assume you think book. You think you would to become a creator. You think you would become a wealthy guy. You think you would become to businesses, and you think to topper in our class. Maybe they would only focus to process. Maybe assume in a YouTuber. Maybe they would do something in 365 videos in our channel in maybe in over a years in 1 year. They would find to our own mistakes and they would improve. And maybe why they have need for 365 videos to over a years, because your aim to become a creator, because in the previous years, yeah, on the data is to create more wealth in over a years very easily, but you couldn't upload to 365 videos. You couldn't find to our errors, to our own mistakes, and maybe the second time to do it's highly possibility to become success again and again, to focus to only process. But because I am on that type of guy to do something in over and over and over again, to do same mistakes. Maybe assume they would a new driver to drive a car from Balaghat to Gondia. Maybe the highly possibility to drive first time, the accident probably possibility to more as compared to 100 times. Okay. Maybe they would first, second, third, fourth, 1 to 100 times they would go to Gondia. Maybe the less possibility to do an accident in front of you as compared to the first day. Maybe the first day it's hard, or it's here is to my own example, to my finances. Maybe the 150 side visit clients, the nobody I would earn on that amount, and even not 150, even the 500 clients side visit never ever create any wealth or never create any commission. I could not never ever give. My target is 1000 times in over 2 years, but God helped to me. Beginners of new activities, maybe you would new in any field, sometimes take time to need to perfect. Maybe not today, maybe not tomorrow, maybe not week, maybe not a month, even maybe not a years. Even they have need a decades or 10 years to talk 1% to our own field. Podcast in starting from point is 30 minutes and deadline from its approximate 1 hours. The conversation, the podcast consumes around 30 minutes. Maybe the core line is the first questions to Samani. It's to army officer. It's first is why dollar is far powerful and most powerful currency as compared to the entire world. Maybe the Americans and the powerful currencies would follow same things again and again and again. Here is not a matrix. Here is not a maths. Here is a currency just like work to a stock market, to India, to USA, to China, any country. Maybe the USA would follow these tricks. Maybe the rupees value is down, they would sell out, or they would buy to some amount of rupees, and assume the price would be up, they would sell out to entire rupees and to buy to dollar. So that reason they would maintain and they would grow up to that currency. You would change to see or not. Maybe I would on that guy tell us, I would see the changes. maybe to India, to Russia, to China. Maybe those countries they would understand and they would do something to same things just like America. It's they would buy to international trade to our own country and own currency, and they would maintain and they would up to our own currency value. But America would not support to us, but India and Russia says doesn't matter. Assume from that period war against to America and Russia, but America tell us to entire world they couldn't buy to oil or any trade to especially for Russia, but Indian government would tell us to us, I could not know or I could not agree to us, but I would buy to Russia. Why? India, Russia, and China, those countries would think to America to here is those countries too dangerous to me, because those countries the most powerful country to entire world, because they would focus to our own army, they would focus to our own infrastructure, they would focus to our own growth, especially to India. Maybe the India availability for incredible population to us, but there is a lack of infrastructure, but there is a lack of roads, maybe there is a lot of construction to us, but the incredible population is here, so that is they have need to infrastructure, and maybe growth is equivalent to profit, population, because the lot of availability to lands and the lot of availability to